Hyundai's connected routing and last-mile navigation features both provide powerful and convenient navigating for Bluelink subscribers. Connected routing allows for driving routes to be calculated in the cloud, rather than in the vehicle's infotainment system. It uses real-time and historical speed information to predict upcoming traffic. This ensures more accurate traffic forecasting, more precise times of arrival, and more reliable route recalculations when needed. It can even learn your preferred routes. Last-mile navigation lets you continue your journey from your parking space to your final destination. This can be especially helpful when you must park several blocks away from your destination. It requires that your smartphone have the My Hyundai with Bluelink app installed. When using connected routing, a pop-up will appear on your smartphone screen when you shut off your vehicle. Select it to activate last-mile navigation on your My Hyundai with Bluelink smartphone app. You can then choose the method of guidance. It will then guide you for up to 1 mile to your destination. Both features require an active Bluelink account and subscription. In addition, your vehicle needs to be in an area with cellular service. In areas with poor or no cell service, some features may not be available. Your owner's manual contains more information on the Bluelink system and other features. Please be certain to read it to learn more about them. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.